children. In this video we are going to learn about fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction is nothing but a part of whole. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Okay? In fraction we are having two parts. One is numerator, another one is denominator. One is numerator, another one is denominator. See this example, 1 by 2. Okay, here 1 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator. Okay, and what is 2? Means a number of parts, total number of parts. Okay, 2 is total number of parts. And what is the numerator? 1. 1 is number of parts taken or selected. Okay, number of parts selected. Okay. Next, equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? Two or more fractions having the same value or representing the same part of whole are called equivalent fractions. Okay, how we will find the equivalent fractions? By multiplying numerator and denominator with the same number, or by dividing numerator and denominator with same number. Okay. Let us learn the types of fractions. We are having 5 types of fractions. How many types? 5 types. And what are they? First one, like fraction. Second one, unlike fraction. Next, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fractions. Okay, so let us learn one by one in detail. First one, like fractions. What are like fractions? Fractions with same denominators are said to be like fractions. What are like fractions? Fractions with same denominators are called like fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2. If you observe this example, here the denominators are same. So they are said to be like fractions. Next, unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? Fractions with different denominators. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 6, 3 by 8, 1 by 7. Okay, if you see here the denominators are different. So they are said to be unlike fractions. Next one, proper fraction. What is proper fraction? If the numerator is less than the denominator, then that fraction is said to be a proper fraction. If the numerator is less than the denominator, that means numerator is small, denominator is big, those type of fractions are called proper fractions. For example, 2 by 6. Here 2 is small, 6 is big. So numerator is small, denominator is big. So it is proper fraction. Next one, improper fraction. What are improper fractions? It is just reverse of proper fraction. If numerator is big, denominator is small, then it is said to be a improper fraction. If numerator is greater than the denominator, then that fraction is said to be a improper fraction. Suppose 6 by 2. Here 6 is numerator, 2 is denominator. Here 6 is big, 2 is small. So it is improper fraction. It is improper fraction. So here I want to tell one trick. See how to remember the proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay, just see your body. Suppose think your head is the numerator, head is the top and your body is bottom. So suppose this is the numerator and your body is denominator. Okay, so how is your head compared to your body? The head is small and body is big. So if your head is small, body is big, is our body in proper position? Yes, our body is in proper position. So if numerator is small, denominator is big, then it is a proper fraction. And the next one, improper fraction. What is improper fraction? If numerator is big, denominator is small, then it is said to be a improper fraction. Suppose numerator means head, denominator is body. If your head is big, body is small, then our body is in proper position? No. We can't walk also. If your head is big and body is small, we can't do our works also by our own. Okay, so our body is not in improper position. Our body is in improper position. So it is improper fraction. So head is small, body is big, means proper fraction. If head is big, body is small, then it is improper fraction. Understood, children? Next time, mixed fractions. What are mixed fractions? The fractions which consist of whole number and a fraction part. A fraction which is having the whole number and a fraction is called mixed fractions. Okay? Mixed fraction is consist of two numbers. What are those? One whole number and one a fraction. Those are said to be a mixed fractions. For example, 3 1 by 4. Here 3 is the whole number and 1 by 4 is a fraction. 3 is a whole number, 1 by 4 is a fraction. So here we are having two parts, one whole number part and a fraction part. So the both together is said to be a mixed fraction. Understood, children?